Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, like you all already know, I've been on quarantine, a compulsory 14 days quarantine which started on the 1st of February. On the 1st of February. So by 15th of February, morning of 15th of February, I will be out of quarantine. So guys, before I just thought to myself, before you leave here, why not just go ahead and show my viewers, my wonderful viewers, what my cozy apartment looks like, what my cozy quarantine apartment looks like. So, you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to show you what my apartment looks like. So, just come along with me and yeah, I'm just going to take you through the apartment, what the apartment looks like. So, yes, you're going to be having a wonderful view of what my quarantine apartment looks like. Okay, guys, so I'll just see you right now. Okay, guys, so I'm currently at the entrance door of my apartment. So that's the entrance to the building itself. You can see the staircase to other apartments and other apartment doors. So yeah, this is mine, and yeah, this is the apartment door to mine. This is it. This is what it looks like. The entrance. Immediately you come in through that entrance hallway, and then you get into my apartment. This is it. This is the door you're going to see directly if you get in, if you turn. And so yeah, that is it. And then so if you turn, yeah, this is what you're going to see if you just enter the door and turn and back the door. So by your left rather, if you enter, that's the kitchen. This is the kitchen, and then you put on the light, and yeah, that's what the general view of the kitchen looks like. This is it, just a general view of what it looks like. So yeah, dining area, and where you get to just relax, the sofa, and yeah, this is just what it looks like. But however, let me just try to give you a good tour of what every other part of it. Let's start from the cooking area. So yeah, this is the cooking area, and yeah, if you check very well, you're seeing the gas cooker there. It's electric cooker actually, and then you have the storage spaces here. Yeah, and this other one is the smoke excavator, abi smoke extractor. Yeah, so that's the smoke extractor there if you just open it. This is another storage space. Yeah, and then other storage spaces, more storage, just yeah, just more and more storage space. Yeah, and then this is the sink, and then plates. This plates came, this plates, the electric kettle, the microwave, they all came with the room. And then this is the gas cooker, what it looks like. So all this came with the room. And yeah, it came with the kitchen and the apartment, everything. This is the fridge here. So this is what the fridge looks like. It's practically like empty. I'm the only one who has tried to cook here, so it's just a view of it. There is more storage on top of the fridge, and then this is another storage space. And then yeah, here you get to chop some vegetables if you want to chop your vegetables. And then this is what this other part of the room looks like, of the kitchen and living area looks like. So here I came here and I saw tile. It was quite interesting to find that there is tile here. You know, in Glasgow it's basically wood, and in Nigeria it's basically tile. So it's quite interesting that I found tile here. So we'll have both tile and rugs. Interesting. Yeah, it was really interesting and fascinating. Anyway, so over there is the kitchen, is the window rather. So yeah, it uses blinds. It's closed now. And yeah, this other way is the another part of the window. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's really beautiful. I really love the curtain and how full the curtain is. This is the full view of it. I really do love it. So yeah, this first one, the blinds are open. If you look up, you're going to see the blinds. Yeah, it's pulled up. Yeah, that's this there. And then this other one, the blinds are quite down. So let me just close the curtain. Yeah, let me give you another view of what it looks like. I really love that the curtain is really full. Anybody that knows me know that I love full curtains. And yes, this is the dining area. Yeah, please don't mind that plate that is there. I don't know who ate and just dumped the plate there and the stuff inside. Don't just mind it. So yeah, if you see here, you're going to see a charging spot there because they know that students like to, sit around in the dining and do some work. So this is what it actually just looked like. I don't know why they just kept that chair there, the green one there, and kept the red one here, just scattered it anyhow. But anyways, so if I'm the one that is staying here, if this was not a quarantine apartment, trust me, I will carry this red one, I will move it close to the wall, a bit close to the wall, and then I'll take the green one and I'll put it somewhere here, and then for it to face the red one, this dining set, the table, the chairs, I will move everything down to this way where there is tile and keep it there. Trust me, it's going to look really beautiful to stay over there. So this red one moved close to the wall, and then the green one moved this way down here to, like, if I move the red one that way, then I'll move the green one down here to face it, and then the dining set here, trust me, to look really beautiful. So this is what the general view of the kitchen and living space looks like. Yeah, this is just it. This is just what it looks like. Yeah, my full curtain. I damn love the curtains. Like, it's one of the, in fact, it's the best thing I love about the kitchen. And then yeah, the blinds. So this is just a a general view of what the kitchen and living space looks like. Yeah, so that's just it. And yeah, let's get going already. So let's move over to the room and we'll get going. So, yes, this is the first person's room. So, like I said earlier, this is the entrance door and this is the first person's room, but it's named room B. I don't know why. And then when you walk down, you turn by your left is the another person's room, but it's named room A, and this is where the electricals and blah 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 everything is inside. And then if you turn right, this is my own room. Yeah, so let me just get the card and open it. Okay, so the room comes with a card. So this is the card is directly like inside of this other card itself. I don't know why they put timetable for meals when they're actually giving us meals. So yeah, this is it. So let me bring out the card from inside it, and then open the, yeah. So that's a card. That is what it looks like. That is it. They see you. Yeah. So you can just put it in, slide it in, and then yeah, so the green light, it's open right now. So yeah, that is it. So my room, the light is off. Let me just put it on here. Yeah, so let me just put it on. So yeah, this is my room. This is my room. This is what my room looks like from when you open the door. This is what it looks like. So yes, just close the door, and this is what the door looks like. This is the entrance door into my room. This is what it looks like. So it's, I noticed that the houses are actually block. It's just in Nigeria that I saw block houses last. In the UK, mostly woods and rarely block, and you know how they build your houses there. So yeah, so when you just turn and back at the door, this is what you see. And so when you turn by your left, there's a storage, and this is it, a huge wall, a huge storage wall built. And yeah, this is it, really big. So this is what it looks like, the storage. That's just basically what it looks like. Like, it's more like they built a storage space. There's a wood from here to here, then there's another wood from there to there, and then there's this open space here. So if you check there now, that there's a hanger space there where I'm supposed to hang my jacket and stuff like that. And storage and more storage and more storage. Like, there's a number of storage, like a good space for storage. Yeah, so they have it here. But now the thing is, I'm supposed to get a hanger and hang my stuffs here, and get here well prepared. But then, like you all know, this is just for my quarantine apartment, so I can't start rearranging all my stuffs, bringing them out from my box, and that's why my stuffs are still inside. If you check here, you're going to see my small box. This is it here. This is my smaller box, and then here too I have my bigger box. So I just kept my stuffs, the stuff that I'm using regularly, I just kept them here on top of my box, and so that I won't have to bring out all my stuffs and then time to pack it now, start putting them back again. So yeah, that's just it for my storage. This is what it looks like, and I just kept my shoes here. So yeah, this is my shoe, this is my shoe, and the other of my shoe. That's just it. Now if you walk further here, and yeah, this is the reading study space. This is what it looks like. If you can see it from here, this is what it looks like. So there's two charging points there, and you know, stuffs. And let me get my credit card out of my debit card. Who dashed me credit card? So so this is what it looks like here. And I just kept my book here, like things I just use regularly, which is my brush and my rub. Yeah, and then my laptop is always here. I'm always seated here. I have a family picture there, and then this is my HP charger, and yeah, my HP laptop, milk that I use in drinking cornflakes, my water bottle, my cup. Yeah, I just displayed recently, and I just finished drinking this. Yeah, and this is what it looks like. Like, yeah, so I had to get bottled water. I would mention the reason for that in a different video. I had to get a bottled water. So yeah, this is what my study space looks like. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, and it has the heating is that way, and so this is basically what my study space looks like. And then yeah, this is what the entrance looks like from this way. So that's the entrance, and that's the storage, and this is the study space here. This is the study space. This is what it looks like. I like keeping my study space somewhat tidy. Yeah. So anyways, and then this is where the window is. Yeah, so this is the window, and then yeah, maybe I should just let me just try opening it so you guys can see. Let me just try. Let me drop this on. So yeah, let me just try opening it. And so yeah, if I do this like this, and then it becomes a little bit when the day is bright, and then you get to see the reflection, good, bright lights, everywhere is bright. Well, I like leaving my window blinds like I like leaving them closed like all the time. Yeah. So yeah, that is it for that way. And then tada! This is my bed, my double bed. So this is it. This is what my double bed looks like. This is what it looks like. So this is a double bed, and yeah, this is it. And this is a quarantine apartment. It came with blankets. It came with blankets. It came with pillows and pillowcases. Yeah, but that blue one is mine. It came with all this. So I was told it would come with all this, but the regular apartment won't come with those stuffs. Just like if you remember in the kitchen, you saw plates. Yeah, those plates came with the apartment. That's because we're in quarantine. But the regular apartments were told that it won't come with plates. So yes, this is what the bed looks like. This is what it looks like. It's a double bed. It's a double bed. This is what it looks like. And then I have the switch also here. So I have two switches that controls the room light. So for this one now, it controls just like the one we saw at the entrance of the door. It controls the room light also. You see? And then it's back. Yeah, so that's it. And the second one is for the toilet. So yeah, this is the toilet. Yes, this is it. So if you come in through the door here now, if you turn by your right, it's the toilet. The left this way is the storage, but the right this way, if you walk forward a bit, and then the right here is the toilet. So yeah, this is the toilet. Oh my god, it's dark. Let me put on the light. So yeah, this other switch here is the so tada. So yeah, so the room also came with two towels. So this is the first towel, and yeah, white towel. Interesting. Yeah, so it came with two towels. So this is it. I also have the white towel for myself. This is it. And then hi. Okay, so this is it. And yeah, this is what the toilet looks like from here, this is what the toilet looks like. So this is just a space, and yeah, you have the mirror. There's a mirror here, and yeah, there's a sink here. The sink is directly below the mirror, and it's just here. And then yeah, the toilet is here. This is the toilet. The toilet is here with tissue and waste basket. This is it. And then just like, so if you turn here now, this is the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. Yeah, so this is what the bathroom looks like. This is the bathroom. This is the knob. This is it. This is it. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is what the bathroom looks like. It's quite tiny. Like, it's the tiniest bathroom I've ever used in my life. Very tiny. It's quite tiny. But then it's better than anything sharing. Like, the bathroom is really, really damn tiny. It's the tiniest I've ever seen. So this is it, and this is what the bathroom looks like in general. Just one small tiny something. And yeah, that's just it for the bathroom. Yeah. So just the quick tour around of what we've seen already. Yeah. And that is the reading space. That's the storage. This is storage. And yeah, that's the door entrance to the room. So yeah, this is just a tour of what my cozy apartment looks like. Yeah, it makes really sense, even though it's really, really, like, really small. No, it's not small. So it's quite a big. It's the one of the biggest rooms I've stayed in, or rather, it's the most equipped and biggest room. It's not the biggest. Yeah, it's the most equipped and biggest room I've stayed so far, and I paid dearly for it. I paid dearly for it. So yeah, that's just it. A tour of my apartment, guys. That's just it. A tour of my apartment, and I hope you liked the video. What did you notice in my apartment? What did you notice? What did you notice in my apartment? What do you think about this place, my quarantine apartment? Do you think it's cozy? Do you think it's beautiful? What do you think about it? What do you think about my quarantine apartment? Let me just know what you think, and drop your comments in the comment section below. Peace out, love.